Hello, I'm Lascelle McGowan from Scutum East and welcome to another Scutum tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Pyronix wireless fob onto a Pyronix wireless system. Okay, so first thing we want to do is go into the user menu, by pressing D. It will then prompt you for your user code. We'll put in the user code, which is the default one. We now want to go through the user menu until we see edit users. We now want to press yes to enter this sub-menu, and we want to add a new user. Yes, we do. It will now take me to the next available user slot. So once this, it will say empty, so we want to press yes to this. It's now asking us to enter a user code. At this point, again, you could enter a code, you could present a proximity fob, but for this tutorial, we're showing you how to set a radio fob. So we'll take our radio key fob, we would press and hold any key until it's flashing red and green, let go, and we're listening for that confirmation and the green LED on the key fob. We now need to enter the name of the user. We're just going to put in that as number 1 for this instance. We want to press yes to that. It will then give you the option to change the programming for each one of these buttons, but we're going to keep it as the default buttons in this instance. So for what we need to do now is just come out of all these menus by pressing no continuously until we see exit manager menu, press yes. We then save the data, and I'll show you, you should have then a working radio fob for your system. And now we'll just cancel that. There we are.